Here we are with another video. This go around, we are working on my stepson's 2017, I believe, Subaru WRX. We are installing an Android car stereo. This is supposed to be a straight plug and play Android stereo, bezel, all that jazz. So what we're going to do is review how it comes. This is off Amazon. And then show you quickly about how long it takes to install it. And that really should be it. And then we'll do a quick and dirty review of, hey, look, things move. You can press the screen. With that said, let's get to looking at the kit. Here's the car we're working on. That's the fucker who owns the car. You may remember him from such videos as the 1MZ knock sensor relocation. Other than that, he's rather forgettable.
Very true, but that's also very true.
Here is the stereo as it came shipped. We're not gonna, let's just cover that up. I forget the brand. We will have a link in the comments if you're actually interested in this. With that said, we will now open it and go over the contents.
I need a 10mm.
Does it need a 10mm?
Yeah.
What, did you look it up?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we're talking about needed tools. We have blue interior tools. We're just grabbing all of them. And apparently a 10mm because he really wanted to get this done sooner. Okay, first one, Android series. Whatever. We got some, I'm guessing, trim pieces. And we also got, we're going to be careful-ish. Lay it down gently. We'll get into the details later, but your lovely little plastic thing everyone pulls off. All the tiddly bits, you know, looks all spiffy. The computer behind it all is a single DIN equivalent. What else do we got here? That looks like a Wi-Fi antenna. Then you got some RCA cables, USB. There's more. Oh, GPS. Then
Spare parts.
we got some, connectors and such. Again, I am expecting this to be plug and play. It damn well better be. For the price.
That's all in there.
And yeah, the rest of this box is done. You want to go throw that somewhere? So, standard Subaru. It's got some form of cob access port, you know, because it's a Subaru. He bought it like that, though. He needs to, you need to clean this thing.
No shit, Sherlock.
Well, I mean, God, that's just gross.
I tried several times.
No, you gotta let something soak.
3 times.
Or it could be the leather, who knows. As you can tell, there's a stock stereo.
It's only got 27,000 miles on it.
Yeah, 27,000 miles on the car. Let's see if we can open this part a little more to get an understanding. Sorry, we're just winging this one.
Oh yeah, no planning at all.
Okay. Yeah, the plan was we do it today. Okay, so the controls for the heat, AC, yada yada go there.
Yep.
Vent. And that is
The emergency lights and the toggle for the overhead gauges.
yeah, what he said. So I'm not completely sure what those are for, but
So those,
dude, be careful. Okay, we can plop that back down.
yeah, they'll just go up on top of here where this goes, and that'll be the emergency lights and then the switch.
Oh, why are there 2 of them?
Because one of them has 2 just for the light, and the other one has it for both.
Oh, okay, so it works for different cars.
Yeah.
Got it, good. Okay, well, what we're gonna do is, can you bust out your phone? We're gonna see what time it is.
It is 2:23. on a Saturday.
223. So we are now just going to get to working. I am expecting a couple bolts and then pop everything out. With that said, we will tell you if there are some weird things along the way.
There are some weird things along the way.
Okay. What are the weird things you know about?
Well, from what I watched at least, you got to go through the left side of the steering wheel, you got to go underneath the steering wheel, and then you can get into the center piece right there, and then you can start pulling it out. Like a normal stereo system normally would.
Really?
Yeah.
Toyota tends to be bolts in the front and done.
This is Subaru, not Toyota.
Yeah, Toyota owns a chunk of them.
Yeah, you're right.
And apparently that did not translate over into car design.
No.
So,
No, it did not.
with that said, we will get to work. And as he is pointing out, there are other videos on this. We're more here to discuss, does that seem to be a good choice?
And our problems with it.
Yeah, and our problems. We will be back. And here, he found the third bolt. You do two up top, not a big deal. There's a third right there, and guess where the fourth is? Kind of equal over there. So, yeah. Subaru, what the hell were you thinking? Oh, yeah, you weren't.
How the fuck am I supposed to get this out?
Carefully. We'll be back with more hijinks. Status check, status check. We got the AC controls in. For us, we're a little sketched by how much force was needed to screw this thing back in.
Don't worry, you won't break it.
Yeah, it didn't break. Just take your time. And again, stereo's still there. I am a little disheartened by the fact that the wiring is still kind of universal. When I feel like if you're selling something specific for a car where you have a mounting kit and it's not as straightforward as you'd think.
No.
Like, we're probably gonna have to go back to the video. I'm not completely sure what the hell this thing is for. Hoping it's not the camera. Yeah, no, you got things like this. Not sure what that is. Not sure what that is. So, we'll figure it out.
Oh, that blue one connected right here.
Yeah, the thing is we don't know what it was for. So, yeah, I don't know. We'll figure it out. It's just more of you would think that if you buy something specific for a car, that the harness would be specific for it. Instead, we've got harnesses with a bunch of RCA stuff and
nowhere to plug the RCA in.
yeah, nowhere. The stereo itself doesn't even have RCA. So yeah, while the stereo might be great, I do feel like that form of thing is just annoying because it wasn't like this was a cheap $200 stereo. For that, I could understand. Anyway, let's get back to work, see where we end up at. Here we are. Next stages. The car's kind of a pain in the butt, but this isn't really that hard. It's just more of a pain in the butt. So, here's the fiasco of wires. So, it's good that the stereo is smaller because all the space will be taken up by this. Yeah, it mostly did work out. I think we're good.
We'll figure it out once we get everything plugged in.
Yeah. So we've got a standard mic thing here. Android Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. He rocks an Android, so
You can still use Apple CarPlay.
then the USB stuff in the armrest goes to an actual USB. Then we have to plug into a USB port that then goes to the back. So there is some clunkiness. But all seems good. We just gotta screw this thing together. Put the vents, yeah, you can see that nice and clear. Anyway, gotta put the vents in, and we're gonna have the stereo in. Hooray!
Yeah.
Okay, after some fighting, forgetting to plug things in, yada yada, it does look good. You want to pull the plastic off? Let's do that. Seems people like that on the internet.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so it seems like all is good. You got your keys on you?
Yeah.
Let's see this thing power up.
Got a lot of them plugged down.
And wait for the first boot up. This car makes a lot of noises.
It didn't used to make those noises.
Okay, so no steering wheel controls, it looks like.
It's volume up, volume down.
Okay, so might have to look for, I think it's like a CAN bus thing.
No, nothing.
Okay. I don't know, that's a personal gripe of mine. I don't believe they list an option, but that's something that can be bought. Are you okay, or
Yeah.
you gonna
That's what
miss?
it is. As long as cruise control and everything still
Oh yeah,
works.
no, that's still gonna be fine. Let's see. Yeah, it works. So we might be getting back into this a later time.
Yeah.
Once you can,
Figure that out.
I think it's a CAN bus thing, whatever. We'll sort that out.
Yeah.
That shouldn't be so bad. Holy shit, you got a lot of lights on.
Well, it's not on all the way.
Oh, and plus, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's continue on.
Let's see if this works. Oh, there we go.
Oh yeah, that should all be hunky-dory.
Figured it would.
Navigation. So, and I'm saying this to you as I am other people. As far as I know, you should be able to get a, let's,
Blur that.
yeah, we're gonna, anyway, navigation works. I'll probably blur that out a little bit. Well, it's still got a, okay.
Oh, there's a whole
Hey,
globe thing.
look, there's a globe. But you can change navigation since it is Android. But
Simple Android controls. You just
yeah.
plug and
So
play.
yeah, it's not too shabby. Let's go back to the home again. As far as I know, you can, there's different Android launchers or auto launchers. So if you're ever like, I want a different interface. Because, yeah, let's see. Oh, well. Yeah. Okay. We'll play. I'm not quite sure.
We'll have to figure out everything.
Yeah, we've got shit to sort out. So yeah, I think that's the onboard mic.
Can also do normal stuff for Android because it is an Android
Yeah.
dash.
Where's the? Oh yeah, I believe it's in settings. You know, you'll have to hook up your Android crap. Oh, mute off. Okay. Like your Android login, shit like that. Okay, we got that. Oh, okay, there we go. File browser, shit like that. I don't know, would you say it's at least more responsive than what you had?
Oh yeah.
So, yeah, we'll probably have to come back in here. Oh, we're going to have to connect to the internet.
Yeah. Easy stuff, though.
Oh, I think...
Should be.
Let's go back to home. Oh, okay, I gotta... Yeah, there we go. So, yeah, all seems good on this front. We will... you've seen us touching and just being boring.
Yeah.
He's still got a set clock, all that crap, but...
It's got 64 gigs.
Yeah. What else was there? I don't know. I mean, here's the basics. I mean, it is a basic, car stereo, Android. I personally am a fan of these. What the hell is that? What's FCAN?
Can?
Oh, which we don't have. So
Yeah.
is there a back can? Sorry, yeah. We're just gonna waste some of your time, people. And you'll get over it if you're still watching at this point. Wait. That shouldn't... Yeah, we'll have to figure some shit out because it's hooked up to everything as far as I know. Oh, we've still got some things to hook up, and I think he's going to have some research to regain any missing functionality.
Yeah.
But it is an upgrade. I am...
Very much an upgrade.
Once he plugs in his once he plugs in his iPhone, or not iPhone, Android, have it be via this or Bluetooth, whatever, he'll fully get it investigated. But would you say it was worth the effort?
Yes.
Okay.
Already.
Yeah. That other stereo was very questionable.
Yeah.
With that said, we appreciate you watching. Hopefully it's not shaking too much.
Hopefully not. It probably is.
Yeah. Have fun. Bye-bye now. Sorry, quick thing, because, as you poke around with stuff, you realize that, okay, maybe all the functionality is there. We learned about this thing called Will Key Study.
You press that.
Well, okay, push the up arrow.
So pushing up.
It changed the screen.
Gives you
You can
selection.
select
So
that.
That's the volume up. Press OK. Press save. It's going to ask save now. Just press yes. Press that key now. It works just fine. It's super responsive.
Sweet. Okay.
Instant response. That's so nice.
So, yeah. Now we say bye-bye.
Definitely better. I'm definitely excited.
Okay. Catch you later.
See ya.